Hi, I am Chef Pedro Acevedo, and today we are going to prepare lasagna. The ingredients we are going to use for this recipe are ground beef, onions, lasagna pasta, tomato paste, pepper, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, salt and garlic, oregano, olive oil. Proceed to make the sauce. For the sauce, heat 3 spoons of oil in a saucepan over low heat. Add the onions, minced garlic, minced beef, chopped tomatoes, and cook, stirring for 10 minutes until the onions are soft. Season generously with salt and pepper cook for 20 minutes until almost reduced. Add the tomato pasta and 2 cups of hot water. Simmer for 1 hour. Step 1. Remember to choose a baking dish. Pour a thick layer of sauce in the bottom of a lasagna pan. Step 2. Top with layer of lasagna pasta. Pour more sauce on top. Then add a third of the cheese mixture. Repeat with 2 more layers using all the meat and cheese. Then cover with a layer of lasagna pasta and the remainder sauce and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top. Bake it in the oven. Bake 30 minutes. Let's eat less than 10 minutes before serving. Thanks.